Now the big secret on how I was able to lower this thing with these wheels. So you want to know how I lowered my Camaro with 11-inch wide wheels? This is the video for you. But first I need some coolant. I've seriously filled this thing up like 4 times since we pro charged it last week. Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy ZT Zooming, and I'm back with another booming video, y'all. So in today's video, just like I said, I'm gonna tell you guys how I fit my 11-inch wide wheels and still managed to lower my car. No rubbing, no modifications, nothing. We're getting to that in this video, but I can't show you my car looking dusted and disgusted out here, so I need to go get this mofo shined up. Don't worry, I'm not gonna waste your time with 2 minutes of washing my car. We about to get to it, let's get it. Quick wash, but we have got to bounce because it is getting dark quick. Damn, I hate winter. She's a little bit dirty, but it shouldn't matter for this video. It's all about the specs anyways, and the fact that I don't have any rubbing or anything. So first off, let me tell you guys what it is that I actually have. Now my wheels here are 20-inch wheels. Damn, man, fire truck over there. Hopefully everybody okay. I have the 20-inch wheels in the front and the back. Damn. I think they just messing with me now, yo. I have 20-inch wheels in the back and in the front. My wheels in the back are 11 inches wide, wrapped in 305 Continental ExtremeContact. It's their summer tires. They're pretty similar to like the Michelin's PS 4S. In the front, I have 10 inches wide. Now this is the exact same staggered setup that you'll see on like ZL1s. Now the ZL1 1LE, I know they do fit a different tire spec on there, but they also go down a size in the wheel to be able to fit that wider tire. So this is for anybody that wants to stick with the 20-inch wheels and you want the same setup that you see on ZL1. Now I have a video how I was able to fit those wide wheels on my car and get this set up. Go check that out if you're interested in it. But this video was about how I lowered it and kept things from rubbing. Now my setup, the only thing that's different from a ZL1 or a 1LE is that my front wheels have an offset that is 3 millimeters less than what the 1LEs are. So it keeps them from poking out quite as much as the 1LEs do. In my opinion, it gives it the perfect flush fit on that front fender. And in the back, the offset is 43. That's exactly the same as what's on like ZL1. Now that the specs are out of the way, that's the easy part. The springs I have on my car are the Eibach lowering springs. Now I have the magnetic ride control. So because I have MRC, my car doesn't lower quite as much as a car that's just on springs without the MRC. I'm still extremely happy with the drop, but it's only actually about a little less than an inch. Now the big secret on how I was able to lower this thing with these wheels, there is none, you guys. There's no secret at all. If you have these wheels just like I do with the exact same specs that I told you, you'll have 0 issues with rubbing. Now, you can get tires that are too big. That could cause you problems. If you guys have different size tires than what I have, you made them fit without rubbing, feel free to drop it down below. I'd love to hear what other people have. It might help other people out. But what I did to make everything fit is I wrapped the back in 305s. If you go over 305s, you're probably gonna run into rubbing issues. I totally gave you guys the wrong information right here, so I'm going to talk over the video real fast. But you can relocate a wiring harness that is on your driver's side that causes the fender liner to bulge out. For a lot of people, that's keeping them from actually rubbing. So you might be able to go up to 315s if you try that, but I don't recommend it, and you have to make modifications to be able to do it. On my setup, absolutely 0 modifications. Eibach lowering springs, the Pro Kit, you get the wide wheels. Another thing to be conscious of if you guys are going with these wider wheels, pay attention to your offset, because if you get your offset wrong, your brakes will not fit in there. And if you have 1LEs, you have bigger brakes. So you've got to be a little bit even more careful. Also, if you have a 1LE or ZL1, these springs will work on your car too. So this is for all Camaro 6th gen platforms. This will work for it, including the V6s and inline 4s. I'll make sure to put all my specs down below in the description so that you guys know the exact setup if you want to do it. But yeah, that's it. There ain't no secret, you guys. So I'm coming at you with a quick video, a little how-to, a little guide. I hope this helps some of you guys out. We're all at different levels in this car stuff, so don't judge anybody if you're a little bit more experienced and you're upset about this video. But this your boy ZT Zooming. I'm keeping it moving, baby, and I'm out. Peace. Sorry my car isn't as pretty as she normally is on these videos, you guys, so you see a little bit of wheel grime in my wheels. Y'all don't judge me too hard, man. I'm running out of time. Real quick, if you guys don't know, I have a 2017 50th anniversary edition Camaro that's supercharged. She quick, she cool.